Felix! No! Bad pig!
Jackson's right! You're gonna give yourself a tummy ache!
No, Felix, no! It's not worth it!
Don't do it! Don't do it, pig!
Ah! Mayday! Mayday! Tomato attack! We've lost visual! Emergency landing! We're going down!
It's no good. Felix has turned into a total tomato monster. I don't even care about big tomatoes anymore. I just want my sweet little Felix back.
Wait a minute! Look! The tomato! It shrunk! What? Why?
When mixed with water, the monster growl will have no effect. So water stops it working.
So, if we could get Felix to enough water, he'll shrink back down to his normal size. I think he's too big for that hose. We need to get Felix to the lake. Maybe he'd follow us if we were carrying something he likes to eat. But what does he like to eat? Oh, yeah, right. I did know that. Big tomatoes go for a big hot swap. Jumper top! Felix! Oh, Felix! It's no good, Mojo. He doesn't know we're here. Oh, he knows. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go! Here, Piggy. Here he comes. Faster, Mojo! Faster, faster! I am going faster, but there's a giant pig following me. What do you expect me to do?
Do you mind passing me one of those tomato sandwiches, my dear?
Try that way! I don't think Felix is very good around corners. Look out! Bumps!
Oh, how lovely! Oh,
There's the lake, Mojo! We're nearly there! Is that pig still on our tail? He's right behind us! Turn! Turn! Look at that sausage roll! Whew, that was a close one. Down square up ahead! Let's just hope no one else is around. Oh, no. We've got to do something. Watch out, everybody. Giant pig alert.
yeah, seriously! There's a pig and it's giant!
Mojo and Bo, what on earth are you going on about?
Oh, no. We scared him. Ludwig? Ludwig? Ludwig! It's okay, Ludwig. Here, let me help. How are we going to get him to the fair now? He's making a run for it! have to scoop him up. Scoop fast. Got it. You've got it, Mojo. Now lift. Well done, Mojo. We scooped ourselves a prize chicken. I knew we could do it. What a team! Righto, all we need to do now is drive this chicken to the country fair. Mojo is go-go! Give it more power! Interesting new fact. Big blue chickens can fly. Come on, let's go and pick him up. Ludwig! Oh, I hope he's okay. This is no place for a big blue chicken. Don't worry, we'll catch him with this. When he tries to eat this chicken feed, he'll get caught safely in the net. It can't fail. Now, where is he? Did you hear that? I'm sure I heard something. He's over there! Where? What's that? A feather? Where did that come from? Bo! It worked! We caught something! Bo? Bo! That gives me an idea. Gag! I'm a friendly big blue chicken thing! Just like you! Don't scare him. Just do what a big blue chicken would do. I don't know what they do. I've never met one before. Do a chicken dance. He likes it. Try a different one. All right, here goes. Uh-oh, I think you're making him cross. He's chasing us. I can't stay where I'm going. I've got this. No problem. He's still chasing us. Maybe he'll chase us all the way to the country fair. Look out, Ted!
That was a close one. Whoa!
I'm okay. Hello! Yes, I'm Chewy! Chewy the Dragon! That's me!
That's it, Preston. You're doing great. Chewy!
Never fear! Chewy's here? Oh! Chewy's down! Chewy's down! Chewy's down! I'm not Chewy! Chewy has to go!
He's getting away! Quick, let's go after him! Dewey, come back! Dewey, we love you! Which way did he go?
Never fear! Chewy's out of here!
Wow, Dawn and her cousins are even bigger fans than us! We have to go help Preston before Dot catches up with him. She's got fan fever! Don't worry, he can't have got far. Let's try this way. must be around here somewhere. Look! What are those? They look like dragon scales. The trail ends here. Then he must be around here somewhere.
Oi!
Oh, sorry, Talking Tree.
It's me, Preston. Are the fans still following me?
No, I think you lost them. Hey! Oh! Why are you talking to that tree? Is there a dragon hiding in it? A dragon hiding in this tree? No. We did see a dragon, but he went that way. Right, tree?
Yes, definitely that way.
The talking tree said he went that way. Okay, let's go! All right, Preston. I think it's safe to come down now.
Can you help me? The head's got stuck again.
Right, let's sort this out back at the swap shop. Get in, quickly, so they don't spot you. Careful, Preston. Mind you don't fall.
OK, just a sec. If I can just... Whoa!
What was that? Ah! Yay, it's Chewy! Hang on, wait for me! Quick, we better get out of here. Chewy, come back! Are they still following us? Faster, Mojo! Whoa! Huh? Uh-oh.
We are on our way.
No Dewey for Yui!
Did you hear that? I don't think Chewy likes us.
Oh dear.
Come on, Dot, let's go home. Yeah, let's go. My bumper car! Wow! Nothing but the best for those beautiful apples. Mojo is go-go! Apples are picked, Jackson.
Wow, great job so far.
Thanks. Wait, what do you mean so far?
You didn't see?
Whoa!
Is that a lot of apples? I mean, it seems like a lot to me. But I haven't been a farmer for very long.
This might take a while.
Hang on, what's that noise?
I call him Droney. I've just got him on sale because he didn't come with instructions. I'm sure he can help pick those apples, Jackson.
Oh, that's brilliant, Preston. With that, plus Mojo and Bo, this job will be done in no time.
You ready, Mojo? Let's do this, Bo.
Don't forget Droney.
Oh, look out, Preston. You missed one.
Oh!
Well, Jackson, I guess you don't need help with your apples after all.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thanks, Mojo and Bo, but I think Droney's got this. See you later.
Bye-bye, Jackson. Bye-bye, Preston.
Felix!
Oh, wait a second, Bo. Something's happening.
How'd you stop it?
Oh, I don't know. It didn't come with instructions. I'll just press this button. Or this, maybe. Or maybe it's this button. See? Nothing to worry about. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Don't be scared, Felix!
This just became an emergency. We need an emergency top. It's hot swap time!